Hi students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. I am Shankar Ganesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. I am delighted to present a lecture on the topic Information Security, which comes under the fourth module of Computer Networks and Security. This lecture is meant for Semester 3 BCA course of Kerala University. In this lecture, we are going to discuss email security, MIME and SMIME. Email security. Email security is a term for any procedure that protects email content and accounts against unauthorized access. Email service providers have email security measures in place to secure client accounts and information from hackers. Such measures include email servers with strong password and access control mechanisms, encrypted email messages, web application firewalls, and spam filtering software. Email is popular with hackers as a tool for spreading malware, spam, and phishing attacks. They use deceptive messages to trick recipients into sharing sensitive information, resulting in identity theft. They lure people into opening attachments or clicking hyperlinks that install malware on the user's device. Email is also a main entry point for attackers looking to access an enterprise network and breach valuable company data. Email security measures include strong passwords, password rotations, spam filters, and desktop-based antivirus or anti-spam applications. A service provider ensures email security by using strong password and access control mechanisms on an email server, encrypting and digitally signing email messages when in the inbox or in transit to or from a subscriber email address. It also implements firewall and software-based spam filtering applications to restrict unsolicited and malicious email messages from delivery to a user's inbox. Next is MIME. The MIME stands for Multipurpose Internet Mail Extensions. As the name indicates, it's an extension to the Internet Email Protocol that allows its users to exchange different kinds of data files over the Internet, such as images, audio, and video. The MIME is required if text in character sets other than ASCII. Virtually all human written email and a fairly large proportion of automated email is transmitted via SMTP in MIME format. MIME was designed mainly for SMTP, but the content types defined by MIME standards are important also in communication protocols outside of email such as HTTP. Next is purpose and functionality of MIME. Growing demand for email message as people also want to express in terms of multimedia. So, MIME, another email application, is introduced as it is not restricted to textual data. MIME transforms non-ASCII data at sender side to NVT 7-bit data and delivers it to the client SMTP. The message at receiver side is transferred back to the original data. As well as we can send video and audio data using MIME as it transfers them also in 7-bit ASCII data. Next is features of MIME. First one, it is able to send multiple attachments with a single message. Second one, unlimited message length. Third one, binary attachments which may be divided if needed. And fourth one, MIME provided support for varying content types and multi-part messages. Next, we can discuss the working of MIME. Suppose a user wants to send an email through user agent and it is in a non-ASCII format. So, there is a MIME protocol which converts it into 7-bit NVT ASCII format. Message is transferred through email system to the other side in 7-bit format. Now MIME protocol again converts it back into non-ASCII code, and now the user agent of receiver side reads it, and then information is finally read by the receiver. MIME header is basically inserted at the beginning of any email transfer. Next is SMIME. SMIME stands for Secure Multipurpose Internet Mail Extension. The first version of SMIME was proposed by RSA Data Security in 1995. The SMIME standard uses public key encryption and digital signing of email. Before, SMIME email administration used the protocol called SMTP. The SMTP protocol was not secure. The SMIME provides widespread email connectivity with strong security. It helps in reducing the cost of services and improves the security, makes user-friendly connectivity and reduces response time. In this lecture, we have discussed email security, MIME and SMIME. Hope all of you have understood the lecture. Thank you.